Hi, my name's Tom. This is the FASDUNT Showerhead. I've just put it in. I put another one in downstairs in my shower about a month ago, and I loved it, and I had to put one in this shower as well. It's real nice and easy to install. It comes with all the parts. It comes with the Teflon tape. It comes with the nice long hose. This hose is about 7 feet long, and it's so flexible and soft. It doesn't get caught on anything. It's really moves. It moves around. It's not going to be too stiff for moving. This nice hose allows you to kind of do this sort of stuff. You can go ahead and wash pets. I'm in a tub right now. You can wash pets, you can wash your hair. You can even go ahead and do this to wash the shower. So that's really nice. I go ahead and I spray a little stuff on here, and I use this just to go ahead and rinse it off. Real nice and easy. There's a whole bunch of different settings, about 6 different settings on here. I'll show you what they look like, but they all look about the same from on a video. But there's also a stop button, so as your water's running, you can stop it, and then you can turn it back on. So you want to stop it, you want to go ahead and soap up the dog, and then turn it back on. That's great. This is really good for pets, even for kids if you're just washing their hair, for showering around. It just works really well. Okay, here's the stop and start button. The water is running, but you can't hear anything. I'm going to go ahead and press the start button, and I'm going to shoot it into the shower. Whoa, there we go. We got some good pressure. Okay, there's one setting over on the far right. There's another wider setting. Real wide setting. That's a nice big outside ring, but no inside ring. There we go. A little bit of inside ring, and then all inside, and I kind of got myself there. And then I can obviously just stop it just like that. Real nice and easy. It goes right back up there. It fits well. This is, by the way, is a ball joint, so you can adjust it to the back, to the front. You can loosen this up and move it around and tighten it into position. The shower head itself is just great. Like I said, this is the second one I've installed. Installation is real easy. Comes with everything you need. You will need a wrench. That's probably about the only thing you actually need. Is not in the box, and it works really well. I really like this shower head. Again, this is the FASDUNT shower head. It works really well. I bought 2 of these so far for both my showers. I really like it, and it's highly recommended.